Are you a tenant or a company looking for a unit to rent that is direct to unit owner transaction to eliminate agent or SPA cheating? Or are you a unit owner looking for a tenant to rent out your unit that is direct to tenant transaction to eliminate agent or SPA cheating? Most of the Facebook groups are created by agents or SPA and sellers that do not support direct unit owner to tenant transactions. The SMDC One United Owners League created a legit unit owner and tenant-oriented Facebook group that promotes direct unit owner to tenant transactions to eliminate agent and SPA cheating, and where tenants and unit owners are freely able to transact with each other. Attention to all tenants, unit owners, and companies looking for unit to rent or lease that is direct to unit owner or tenant transaction with no agent involved to eliminate agent or SPA cheating. Please join and post in Facebook group SMDC Property Listing for Rent Sale One United Owners League. Click the link sa description at comment section to join po.